GloBugz!
Hey GloBugz, it's Black History Month and we are celebrating. I want to introduce you to the First Lady of Song, Ella Fitzgerald! I'm so excited!
Well, hello, I'm Ella Fitzgerald and I was born in Virginia in 1917.
Wow.
I go by a few names, but culture often calls me the First Lady of Song and the Queen of Jazz. Jazz was my jam.
Yo, jam!
When I was a little thing, I liked to dance. But once I started going to church and Bible study religiously, my voice came out.
Really?
I started doing recordings and eventually took my talents to the Apollo Theater in 1934. In no time, I signed with a manager, started recording my music, and the rest was history.
Wow! That is amazing. What else did you accomplish as a singer?
I recorded over 200 songs.
200.
Now that's a lot.
Yeah!
And how awesome is this? I was the first African-American woman to win a Grammy in 1958.
I didn't even know you won a Grammy.
Yes, my 3-octave range and I sold over 40 million albums.
3-octave range. You were Mariah before Mariah.
That's right.
Wow. So what is scatting, and can you give us a little something?
Scatting it's like ad-libbing without using words, and it kind of sounds like a horn, almost like an instrument. It's like shabba-dibba-ba-ba-ba-bow. You know, like.
Oh, you know. It's like you're mimicking the sound of a
like
trumpet
an
or a horn.
instrument.
Okay.
Yeah, without using words.
I want to do that. Oh my goodness gracious. But I also know that you really have a voice. So, Miss Ella Fitzgerald, can you sing us a little something?
Sure. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me.
Yes! Ella's in the house. Can you teach me?
Yeah, I can teach you. Where do you want to start?
Like them high notes, because that's the money notes. Like,
Like me.
Like me. Amazing. What do you want to teach our GloBugz?
No matter your background, you can always overcome. You can do anything if you put your mind and your heart to it.
Oh!
Never stop shining your brightest light. And GloZell,
Yes.
I love your smile.
She said it. Oh my goodness. I love your smile too. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for scatting and singing. Happy Black History Month. Thank you so much, Ella, for being here for us, GloBugz.
Thank you. Happy Black History Month. Shabba-dibba-ba-bow.
Ow!
Shabba-dibba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-